Good people, all this Christmas time, consider well and bear in mind what our good God.
Hi everyone, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. These are some easy teen concepts that I put together using things that I hauled over the weekends, which I shared with you in my live. So for this flat concept, these are I had 3 of these flat boxes left. I've ordered some more, but they haven't come yet. And what I did was I used a notepad, a pen. I used the eye gems from Dollar Tree as well as the compact mirror and the Yardley spray. And what I learned was that the Yardley spray fits in these flat box concepts very well. And it's just a little tight on that corner, but they do fit and I was able to fit it in. And then after placing these in the flat box, I wrap the corners with some ribbon and I will stick a bow on it. I also did this concept in a pink purple set with the matching eye gems. I think those eye gems make these gift sets pop and that teens will love these gift sets. They have their little spray there to spritz and go. The eye gems that they can play around with. Compact mirrors so that they can place those gems perfectly. And then there's a purple pen and notepad in this one as well. These make great anytime gifts and especially great party gifts for teen parties. So I will go back and pick up some more of those Yardley sprays because I only picked up 5 of those. And I'll make one more of these for now just to use that other box because I had 3 of these boxes, but I've only done 2 of them. I also added a little bit of shred and I added the emery boards in the emery board holders that I made by hand, which also blend in with these gifts and make them pop as well. Please tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Good people.